Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life. Today I have a fun unboxing and setup for you. I'll be checking out the Skip Hop Terra Cry Activated Soother. If you're looking for a smart soothing device for your little one, stay tuned. So the highlights of the Smart Soother are its calming sounds, its 2 light modes, and it has a cry activated sensor, voice recorder, room thermometer, and auto shut off. And we'll look into those things in more detail when we have it out of the box. Right at the top of the box we find the owner's manual, and under that is the USB cable. This does not come with a power adapter, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. Alright, oh my, it's smaller than I imagined, but you know what, it actually won't take up too much room then. It's great for a small space. It's so cute, it reminds me of a little artichoke. There are different buttons that go all the way around. We'll have a closer look at those in a minute, and that's where the plug goes in right there. This is what I mean by the adapter. It came with a gray cord with a USB end on it, and you need to provide your own adapter that plugs into the wall. I just used an extra one that I had laying around. I'll add a link to the Skip Hop Cry Activated Soother and an adapter below in the description if this looks like something that you might want for your nursery. When you turn it on for the first time, this song will play and the lights will come on. The on-off button will remember the last setting you had it on while it was plugged in. This is the volume control. These are the light control buttons. The first button is to toggle through the colors, and we'll look at those in just a minute. The second one is to play light animation, and the third one is to toggle through 4 brightness settings. It's kind of hard to see with the lights on, but if the room was dark, you could definitely see the 4 different settings. When we turn the soother around, you'll find the little button with the music note on it. There are actually 8 songs. There's one called Sleepy, Lullaby, Dreamer, Cozy, Pink Noise, Waves, Ambient, and Rainforest. This button over here is for the built-in timer. It will turn off after 15, 30, or 60 minutes, or it's continuously on. This little button with a sad face is the cry sensor. After the music times out, the cry sensor will listen for crying and turn back on to soothe the baby. It times out after 10 hours, and it does not work in continuous play. This is the voice recorder button. Hold down the button to record a 10-second message for your baby. Wait for a beep to start speaking and release the button to stop recording.
Go to sleep, my sweet baby.
To change the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius, I'm using a safety pin and pressing the button inside the little hole. You can see it says Celsius and it's 19 degrees. A little chilly in this room. Let's cycle through all the colors. It's actually really beautiful. I could see this light being used in other places like a spa or someplace where you go to relax, even as an adult. So far, I think the Skip Hop Terra Cry Activated Soother is a great option for parents or grandparents like me looking for an easy-to-use sleep aid. It's stylish, functional, and the cry activated feature is a big plus. Check out those links that I've added below. Let me know in the comments, do you use a sound machine for your little one? I'd love to know. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any future reviews. Here are a couple of videos I think you might like. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life, and I'll see you in the next video.